Hi, thanks so much for signing up. Glad to see you over here on this webpage. Now, if you're interested in the whole book, which actually is pretty cool, it has instructions in the back, it has tips, it has a work study kind of thing. You can do individual or with a group. You can get it today, and you can go ahead and order it from our website directly. And then there's two goodies I'm going to give you. One is an ebook that's about 80 pages long that we gave away during National Invisible Chronic Illness Awareness Week, which I founded in 2002. So you will get that, which is about a $15 value. And then I'm just going to give you $1 off today, the book, just for the heck of it. So if you look down below, it explains this in a little bit more detail. And there's also the coupon code there. And if you click on the link, put in that coupon code, you will not only order the book, you'll get $1 off. We'll get it right out to you in the next 24 hours or so, so quick shipping. Plus, you'll get emailed the digital download file of the 80-page ebook we gave away for Invisible Illness Week. So, I hope you'll join me. I hope you'll get to know me. I would love to get to know you too, and I'd love to hear your stories about how this book's changed your life. I get many of them. It's not a sugar-coated book. If you want to throw a pity party, this may not be your book right now, but it's definitely a life changer, and it can change your life today too, and help you get in touch with the emotions you're going through living with chronic illness.